Welcome back to my vegan kitchen. It is Veganuary day 22. Oh my god, the days are just dripping away. We're almost to the end of Veganuary, and when we get to the end of Veganuary, Maddie's birthday is near the end, and it is also my Vegaversary, which is for 4 years. So I'm very excited for that. Tonight we're going to make a simple recipe. I've tried making tacos out of just about everything, out of potatoes, out of cauliflower, out of soy, out of mock meats. Tonight we're going to do a nice, delicious, whole food taco recipe. We're going to be using French lentils. Now, the difference between French lentils and regular lentils, you can see they look a little bit darker, they're smaller. The reason why you want to use French lentils as opposed to like these lighter green colored lentils, I find with the lighter ones, they break apart and they get mushy, and that's not good for tacos. These are pretty much going to stay more whole. They're called French lentils, and you could find them like Bob's Red Mill has them. A health food store would have them. I don't think they're in the Goya section, at least not in my store. These are the ones that are in the Goya section at my store, and they're the ones that get mushy. The ones that do not get mushy are a little bit harder to find, but make sure that you get French lentils if you don't want it to be mushy. So it's a very simple recipe, and then I zhuzh it up at the end, but I'm going to give you the base recipe. I always like to add beans and corn to mine at the end, and a little shot of lime juice. But we're going to start off with a medium onion. I had a big onion, so I'm using half of it. So we're going to turn on our stove over here, and we're going to saute our onion first. About a tablespoon of oil. I'm using avocado oil because that's the one that I like. And we're just going to get that in the pan. I'm doing it vlog style tonight. Maddie's not here, she's at work, so I'm just gonna check back with you after these have gotten a little bit of cellophane on them. You know what I mean? See, till they get a little see-through. Alright, those are starting to look a little see-through, so we're gonna add our next two ingredients, which is the rinsed French lentils and like a teaspoon of garlic. If you are wondering about all of the measurements, they're gonna be in the bottom bar. You know, in the info box, so don't worry, they're all there, complete list. I'm just going to saute this for like a minute or two, and then add the rest of the ingredients. Alright, these lentils aren't going to taste like much unless we add some seasoning to them. So the first thing that we're going to add is a beef bouillon. So I've got this by Orrington Farms. Everybody always asks me about this. This is the best. It's not salty, and it's got a lot of flavor. So this is the beef flavored one because we're doing tacos. So I have enough in here. I measured it out. If you don't have that one, you're going to want enough bouillon for 2.5 cups of water. Or if you don't want to use water and bouillon, you can just use veggie stock. So 2.5 cups worth. So we've got that going in there. We've got the 2.5 cups of water going in there. We're going to bring that up to the boil and then simmer it for 30 to 40 minutes. But first, we're going to put in the rest of the seasoning. This is the taco blend that I've come up with. I've got chili powder, cumin, paprika, sea salt, granulated onion and garlic, and oregano. That is my absolute favorite taco seasoning blend. That makes it taste so fresh. I never buy the one at the store anymore. I heard it wasn't vegan anyway, but I do like the blend that I've come up with, and I've stuck with it for years now. So we're just going to give this a good mix. And like I said, once this starts to come up to the boil, we're going to turn it down to low and let it simmer for about half an hour to 40 minutes. And then we'll be almost ready to eat. Alright, we're all ready. You can eat it just like this. It's beautiful.
It smells so good.
It is. I tasted it, but we always like to serve our taco meat with a little bit of lemon juice or lime juice. I'm out of lime, so we're just going to do a little bit of lemon. And we also always include a can of black beans.
Nice.
And a container of frozen corn.
Ooh.
And by container, I mean bag. So let's just get that. Oh, I got to run away. All right, so we're just going to mix this up, and Maddie will be ready to give it a taste. All right, there it is in all its glory. We're going to be having it with some yellow sauce, some tomato. I'm cooking up some basmati.
I just got back from dance, so that's what this is.
I'm sure you're starving too.
I am hungry. I'm ready for dinner.
Okay.
So let's get a little taste. So good.
Yeah, you like that?
Mm-hmm.
All right. There you have it. There's a whole food that doesn't use a mock meat taco. And no soy. It's soy free as well. So give it a shot.
Yum.
Let us know if you like it. Subscribe for more. We're almost to the end of Veganuary. Subscribe. Thank you. Till next time. Much love.